Now, I'll teach you again. Remember 30, 45, 60. Okay, always. And then 0, 1. So remember it is quarter kg. Can you hear me? Did I present it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I presented it. So quarter kg, half kg, 3 by 4th kg, and then 0, 1. So when I put square root for everything, that will be the first answer, sine value. Sine 30 is square root of 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Square root, sine 45 is square root of 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, because square root of 1 is 1. So sine 60 is square root of root 3 by 4. And then 1, 0. Then you should put reciprocal. This is very simple.
Ma'am,
This
root
one,
3 by 2.
yeah, root 3 by 2, correct. So when you put the reciprocal, what will happen? This will become root 3 by 2 here. This will half will come here. This will come here, 1 by root 2. This is 60. Sorry, cos. These are all these values are cos. After that, tan. Tan is just divide 0 by, tan is 0 by 1, 0. And tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Then tan 45 is 1. This is root 3. And this is 1 by 0 is not defined. Like this you should write. So like if you know these values, you can do secant, cosecant and cot. This reciprocal of the values. Okay. Okay, children. Now the sum is again, we are doing the same thing again because this should be thorough. Then only we can go to the third exercise. For next exercise is deleted from the CBSE board. So we are going to start another exercise, last exercise. Before we start last exercise, let us be thorough in this chapter. Let us be thorough. For that only assignment I'm giving.
Ma'am, you should let Saida from ma'am.
I should allow her to inside. Wait, let me see where I am. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, Saida. Saida Afra, tell me tan 45. Monday, when you are entering, give one value and enter. Say good morning. Any value which you remember. Okay. Monday. Saida, now tell me tan 45. Saida muted herself. Okay, let us do this. Now, evaluate. Evaluate is the question. Now, how to do this? Sine square 30. What is sine 30 value? 1 by Abhagya. 1 by 2 the whole square. Syed Afra can answer. Cos 30. Syed Afra is answering. Cos 30, what is the value?
Root 3 by 2.
No. Cos 60. Sorry, cos 60.
Cos 61 by 2, ma'am.
Very good. So 1 by 2, the whole cube you should put plus. Okay. Tan 45 is 1. So 3 into 1. 1 to the power of 4 is also 1 only. 1 to the power of any number 1. Okay. So 1 by 2, the whole square will become 1 by 4. And 2 into 1 by 8 will come, plus 3 will come. Okay. So this 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So what is the answer? This 2 and this 4 will get cancelled. So what you will get? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3. So what is my final answer?
3.
3.
So because 1 by 4, 1 by 4 get cancelled, 3 will come. Like that, you have to do every sum. Okay. Many sums are there. See, for example, one more sum will do. Cos 0. Who's going to answer? Umar or Syed? This sum who's going to answer? Who didn't open a mouth so far? I want to hear. See, when Dania talk, I know the voice. When
Ma'am, cos 0 is equals to 1 plus.
yes, 1 plus. Like that, I should hear everybody's voice. Syed, no,
1 by
Syed,
root.
correct.
1 by root
Syed.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Syed.
1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus. 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Very good. See, now Syed voice also I heard. Overall words I can identify.
1.
They are all answering very well in oral. Remember.
1 plus.
1 plus.
Sorry, 1 minus. 1 minus, ma'am.
1 minus.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
Very good. Syed, see how fast he's answering. He's going to get 80%, 90% in maths. See. Plus.
1 by 2.
Yes, ma'am. 1 by 2.
1 by 2 is Bhagya, right?
Udaya.
Udaya told, ma'am.
Udaya. Okay, Udaya. Okay. Now how will I add? Listen carefully. When we are adding, we must be careful. Okay.
LCM.
This is multiplication. First you add this LCM. 2 root 2. So top 2 root 2 will come. Here 1 will, here 2
2,
will
ma'am.
come. Here 2 will come. And here what will come?
Root 2.
Root 2.
Root 2 will come. Okay. Put it like this. Then again do the same way here. 2 root 2 is LCM. So what will come here?
2
root
2. 2 root 2.
Minus
Minus 2.
minus 2 plus.
Plus
Root 2.
root 2.
Very good. Now 2 root 2 and 1 root 2 will become 3 root 2. 3 root 2 plus 2 by 2 root 2 you will get into. This is multiplication. Okay. It's not rubbing. Rub. Okay. What will happen to this answer? Again 2 root 2 is there. This 2 will
3 root
become
2.
3 root 2
3 root 2.
minus 2.
Minus 2.
Now tell me.
A square minus
A
B
square minus B square.
A plus B into A minus B formula. So A square minus B square.
B square.
3 root 2
So
whole square
3
minus
root 2 the whole square minus 2 square will come. Correct, no?
Ma'am, by
2 root.
by 2 root
By 2 root.
No. Somebody is doing wrong.
ma'am down
Denominator,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Denominator is wrong.
Denominator.
Denominator, what you're saying is wrong.
Ma'am 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 ma'am. 2 root 2 whole square.
Who said that?
To the whole square we told ma'am already.
All
Yes,
ma'am.
2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2. What is answer you tell? Final answer.
8.
8.
8. Only now. Who is this? Vamsi, 8. Who said was 8?
Apratim, ma'am.
Apratin. Only Apratin told. Okay. Now top what will happen? 3 root 2 the whole square minus 2 square will come. So down 8 is there. Here 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are
18.
18. 18 minus 4. What is 18 minus 4?
14.
14.
By 8.
14 by 4. 14 by 8. So 14 by 8 is 7 by
7 by 4.
7 by
So
4.
what is 7 by 4? Is equal to 1 3 by 4. 2 by 4. 1.
Ma'am.
Correct only, no? 1 3 by 4 only correct. Correct only. This answer is correct. Okay, that's all, children. So I'm going to give you 20 sums as homework. Please do it in blue book. Blue book and write assignment 1. Assignment 1 of this year. That is 2020, luckiest year. 2020 to 2001 year. Assignment 1, 20 sums in trigonometry. Okay, that's all. Keep studying. I'll ask oral when you're entering. Monday you should enter with any value. Okay, any one of the values. Learn the values thoroughly. Do the sum. Okay, thank you, children. Let's you take little time for breakfast and not go and eat. Bye.
Ma'am, every day 20